Hey guys, this is a step-by-step guide on how to fix your fence frame if you have a next to nothing budget that could potentially keep your fence around for another 10 years. If your fence frame is looking like it's starting to erode and deteriorate and cracks are appearing, it's because water and sun and other factors have made it this way over time. Then it's time for some quick repairs and maintenance to get it back to a standard. Now this is what I've done to many a fence over the years and has worked well for me. So some tools needed for the job will be a scraper, you need a hammer. If you have any unattached parts of your fence as well that needs to be secured, obviously you need nails as well. Most important than all, you're going to need a liquid nails construction adhesive, which are found in your local hardware stores, which is a semi-solid that when applied quickly dries and becomes hard and is heat resistant and perfect to fill in gaps and just what you need for the job. And also it's really cheap. They also come in many colours that may suit your fence so it isn't visible, such as a clear, and majority can be painted over. Also, if you have some lying around or if you need to get some, a fence paint if you want to later disguise it from view of other people. Also pretty important as well is some gloves of any kind, as liquid nails is very sticky and if it gets in your skin may cause irritations for some people. Also a pressure hose will come in handy if possible to get out any debris or soft wood or dirt that may be sitting inside the cracks. That could be used prior to the job, but don't worry too much if you don't have one. Now to begin the job. Next is to get your gloves on, which I didn't have any at the time, and have your scraper ready and place your liquid nails into the cracks like I have already done. Then grab your scraper and flatten the glue into the cracks and getting it to become a filled flat surface. You can be as rough as I am here or actually take pride in your work and do it nice and neat. I'm placing panels over the frame, so I'm being a little bit rough here as the frame won't be seen. I have proceeded to add more liquid nails to the rails, and as you can see, all of the gaps are starting to fill. Try and fill in every gap you see so your frame is fully protected. Then leave the glue to harden for whatever your instructions specify. Then you can begin to paint over. In my case, I only had an undercoat paint, so I used it, which was fine as I was placing fence paling over the top and wouldn't be visible. This was the final outcome for me, which I think looks great for the short amount of time that I had and will hopefully stand for a few more years to come. Hopefully you guys get something out of it. If not, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you would like to watch more future videos from my channel. Thanks guys, take care.